In embedded system task and the user task often schedule and perform activities after some time has elapsed. For example, RTOS scheduler must perform a content switch of a present time interval periodically among tasks of the equal priorities. To ensure the execution fairness, when the conducting round robin scheduling algorithm, a software is based memory refresh mechanism must be refreshed by the dynamic memory. Easy to communication protocols schedule activities for the data retransmissions and the protocol recovery. The target monitor software sends system information. The target monitor software sends the system information to the host-based analyzed tool periodically to provide the system timing diagrams for the visualization and debugging. In any case of embedded application needs to the schedule future event. Scheduling future activities is accomplished through the timers using the timer service. Timers are an integral part of the many real-time embedded system. A timer is the scheduling of the event according to the predefined time value in the future, similar to the setting of and the alarm clock. A complex embedded system is comprised of a many different software modules components, each requiring timers of the varying timeout values. Most embedded systems use the two different forms of the timers to the time sensitivity activities, hard timers and soft timers. Hard timers are derived from the physical timer clips that directly interrupt the processor when they expire. Operation with demanding requirements for the precision or latency need to predictable performance of a hard time. That means of a hard time. Soft timer are the software events that are the scheduled through the software faculties. A soft timer facilities allows the efficiently scheduling of the non-high precision software event. A precision design for the soft timer handling the facility should have the following properties. That the first property is the efficient timer maintenance, efficient timer installation, efficient timer removal. While an application might require the several high precision timers with the resolutions on the order of the microseconds or the even nanoseconds, not all of the timer requirements have the high precision. Even the demanding the order of the millisecond or the even the hundreds of the milliseconds are sufficient. Excepts of the application requiring the timeouts with the course gradually. Should use soft timers. Example include the transmission of the control protocols module, the real-time transport protocol module, and the address resolution protocol module. Another reason for the using soft timers is to reduce the system interrupt overhead. The physical timer chip rate is usually set so that the interval between the consecutive timer interrupts is within 10 of the millisecond or the even the 10 of the microsecond. The interrupt latency and the overhead outstanding timers. This issue particularly occurs when each timer is implemented by being directly interfaced with the physical timer hardware. Timers are used to measure the elapsed time of the events. For instance, the kernel has to keep track of the different timers. A particular task may need to be executed periodically, say every 10 milliseconds. A timer is used to keep the track this periodically. A task may be waiting in a queue for an event to occur if the event does not occur for a specified time. It has to take appropriate actions. A task may be waiting in a queue for a shared resource if the resource is not available for the specified time, and the appropriate action has to taken. Timer management function calls. The following function calls are proved to manage the timer: get time, set time, time delay in second, time delay in system clock strikes, and the reset the timer.